Alright, YouTube. Just got a fresh package in the day from Phase Tech Performance. Let me see. Something new, a little small custom upgrade to the 1LE. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Let me hand it over to my wife and let her hold the camera on real quick while I check it out. See what it's doing. Let's see. There we go. These side marker lights. Okay. Let's see, that's at amber, so everything that's one from the front. This one said red, so everything that's from the back. Amber again, so that's for the other front. And red, that's for the back. Alright, we're going to install these and see how it looks. Alright, we're going to start with the rear passenger side. We're going to go ahead and install it. You got two T15 bolts right up in there. One right there and one right there. Now you can't see it, but they up in there. So let's work on taking them out. That's one of them, and there's one more. So you got the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and get this other one out. It's the second one. I'm loosening it up with the ratchet, but finishing up by hand. And let's throw this little piece of carpet back here, right here back, and press down on the little tab. That's one. There's two of them back here. Let's keep that. Alright. Pull that out. Hey, bub, trying to be stubborn. Maybe these gloves. Alright, I got the bulb out. Now let's match it up. Let's see. So plugged in the light. We feed this in. See, this only gonna go in one way. Take it in, push it in, twist it. Make So she locked in there pretty good. Line it up with the grooves. Snap it back in. Here, snap. That's it. Now this put the carpet back and the 2 bolts. Yeah, screwing them back in. Get them started by hand first. Same 2, one right there, one right there. What I like to do is run it all the way in by hand, and then snug it just a little bit with the ratchet. You don't gotta dog it down. Snug on that one. Snug on that one. That's good. That don't take much. Alright. There's one down, then we're gonna move on to the front one. Alright, move on to the front. You can see this one right here. Basically lift up on it, but when I try to press it out, top one being a little stubborn, so I'm gonna take this one out. This one bolt right here and get to it. Let's see. Alright. Take this that one out. Roll this carpet back and I should be able to get at it. A little hole right there. Made this for me. There you go. Twist, pull it off, pull the bulb out. I'll try to pull the bulb out. But it being a little difficult, so I had to disconnect this to put my bulb in. I mean, take my bulb out. Now let's see. Slide it on in there. Supposed to go right on in there. And this feels too small. There you go. She in there, real snug fit now. And then I'm gonna plug this back in here. Should only go one way. With the keys line up. Alrighty. Trying to push these in there first before I shove this in. I don't want to pinch the wires. There you go, push it in there. Alright, snug it right up. Done. Alright, there she go. I don't know why I hear a little humming. I guess I'm gonna call the company and ask them about that, but I hear like a little mild humming noise. But put this last bolt screw in and call it a wrap. Right there. Alright, done deal. See how they look. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna turn them on. Daytime look, see how they look. It's a nice little custom upgrade. Nice little touch. Alright, Big G. #1LE. Signing out.